And next up, we're going to hear from Nouveau Monde Graphite, Marie-Yves Chaume. Okay, Chief Communications Officer. Thank you very much.
Hi, everybody. I'm happy to be here today. My name is Marie-Yves Chaume. I'm working for a graphite company called Nouveau Monde Graphite. We're located in Quebec, Canada. Quebec. It's a mining-friendly jurisdiction. It's the French part of Canada, which explains my accent, but also the name of the company. It's called Nouveau Monde because it means new world. When the CEO founded the company in 2012, he noticed he had this great idea. The most profitable mine in Quebec was Imeris Graphite and Carbon Mine. So he decided to explore the world, the new world around that mine to see if he could find a deposit that mirrors the characteristic and has the same potential. Today I was really ambitious and I did like a 25-slide presentation. So I decided that I'm not gonna do it for you, but I have a small present as it was Earth Day yesterday. I'm gonna present you the video that shows our strong commitment to environment. As it's very important for Quebec government to have that the project that are developed are aligned with his target and environmental and sustainable targets. So this is what we're doing also at Nouveau Monde. And we're going to do the first worldwide all-electric open pit mine.
Somewhere, someone sets a blast to erupt rich ores of metal from stubborn rock.
My name is Carl Trudeau. I'm the CEO of Nouveau Monde Graphite. It was important for us to develop what we call a task force committee to be able to see what are the options to be carbon neutral. They were looking at us like, what you want to do? You want to be the first open pit mine worldwide, all electric?
The task force committee is bringing different experts around the table and promote an all-electrical mine concept with some technological maturity solution to turn the conventional mining method into an all-electrical mining application.
Bringing the all-electric in our field of expertise in all the environment side, the tailings management, it's a challenge, but will probably change the way we're doing things.
We have to bring new idea. So that project really fit with what we are doing with tailing and waste management.
As a group, we really thought outside the box. Really, sky was the limit, and we didn't want constrained to what exists.
Innovation can only come through collaboration.
We have world-class EV technology that can be used by Canadian companies in their R&D program to develop EV products.
Thinking about graphite, thinking about lithium, both together you will have the lithium-ion battery. And this is the kind of battery you find in electric cars. So it's not making sense to use diesel to produce graphite concentrate, make battery to put that in electric cars. So mainly walk the talk and be all electric. That will be a major change and we will do that in Saint-Michel. It will be a game changer for everybody.
So there you go. To have such an innovative project, you have to have a good base. You have to have something that's strong to get all the partners around it. So Nouveau Monde Graphite Project, actually it's a graphite deposit that was found in 2015. It's located in a town called Saint-Michel-des-Saints. It's 2 hours north of Montreal. It's a really good logistic for us as we have direct access to all the roads that brings us to the Montreal metropolitan area. Also, we have access to a lot of cheap renewable hydroelectricity. We have access to all the skilled laborers from the city around the mine. It's a project, we already did a preliminary economic assessment, also a pre-feasibility study. The pre-feasibility study shows that we're going to have a life of mine of 27 years, where we're going to do 52,000 tons of graphite concentrate per year. And we also have good graphite flake distribution. Half of our flakes are large and jumbo size, and we're able to bring all of our flake size to high purity, from 99.9% purity. So this is really important in graphite project, to be able to have good flake size distribution and be able to bring it to high purity. So right now, the next milestone for Nouveau Monde, we're doing our feasibility study with the all-electric mine concept. Our feasibility study is going to be done by this fall. Also, we did the last drilling on our property. So we're going to do pretty soon a resource update that's going to have some benefits on our economics. And also, we start the building of a demonstration plant. It's going to be commissioned this summer in June, and we're going to have the first ton of concentrate flake graphite by the end of the summer. This is really important for our project, as we're targeting to get some offtake agreement and to go to see all of our clients this summer with our 2,000 ton of concentrate flake graphite that we're going to produce in our demonstration plant. Other milestone, we're going to do our environmental study that are going to be done also by the end of the year. We are on the TS6V. Our ticker, it's NOU. We're also on the OTCQX. You can see there with the NMGRF ticker. Our share price is around 33 cents with a market cap of 40 millions. We're fully financed to the project we're doing right now, but we're going to need to go back to the market to do all of our work on value-added products. We're targeting to the traditional graphite market, and for value-added graphite products, we're targeting lithium-ion battery with spherical graphite, and we're targeting the expendable graphite market. So in the next year, in this demonstration plant, we're going to put line of spherical graphite and expendable graphite. So I guess that's it. What else I can tell you? I have a little bit of spare time. I can talk to you about our great management. Our deposit is located right next to Imris's deposit, which is the only graphite mining activity in North America. So this mine is depleting. It's going to be out of ore by 2020, 2021. It's public information. So we're targeting to take over all their markets. So what is the best strategy to do it? Well, it's to get all those experts. So in board at Nouveau Monde, we have now the last operation leader. His name is Carl Trudeau, the guy you saw in the video. He's our chief operation officer. He comes from Imris. We have the CFO from Imris inbound with us also, and we have somebody on the sales side that's working for us. So good deposit, great flake distribution, high purity, lots of graphite, good logistic, access to road, access to cheap hydroelectricity, close to the North American market. I think this makes the turn of our project at Nouveau Monde. Feasibility coming, demo plant in construction, All of that, I think it makes the turn of the project. If you want to learn more about our project, or if you have questions about the graphite market, we're at booth 20, or I'm going to be at the drink around the table later on, around the pool later on, so you can ask me if you have any question. Thanks.